Welcome back. This is video 2 in your Reality Transurfing Intro Series. And today we're going to uncover something that influences your life more than almost anything else. In video 1, you learned the power of choosing your lifeline. But now we need to look at what tries to choose for you. Let me ask you something real. Have you ever started your morning feeling great? And then one comment, one message, one piece of news just knocked your entire mood sideways. Suddenly you're irritated or drained or anxious or defensive, and you don't even know why. Or maybe there's someone in your life who always throws you off, or social media leaves you feeling off for reasons you can't explain, or you find yourself getting pulled into arguments or drama you didn't ask for. You're not broken. You're not too sensitive. You're not failing. You've been influenced by something called a pendulum. A pendulum in reality transurfing is an invisible energetic structure created by groups, ideas, beliefs, emotions, and collective attention. They form anywhere large amounts of energy gather, and they feed on emotional intensity. And here's the part most people never realize. Pendulums don't care whether your energy is positive or negative. They only care that it's strong. So when you get angry, reactive, overly invested, triggered, resentful, or even overly excited, you're feeding them. And the moment you feed them, you lose your neutrality. You lose your clarity, and you lose your ability to choose your lifeline consciously. This is one of the biggest reasons people get stuck in emotional loops. In my coaching and healing work, I've seen this pattern over and over. Clients think they're dealing with their own emotions, but most of the time they're being pulled by energetic patterns they were never aware of. Family stories, workplace cultures, political groups, friend groups, religious expectations, social media trends, even a single person's emotional field. Every one of these can act as a pendulum. And once you see this, it becomes almost impossible to unsee. It explains why you feel amazing one day and then completely off the next. Why certain people drain you, why certain situations trigger you, and why, even after choosing a new lifeline in video 1, you might still feel pulled back into old patterns. Pendulums don't want your happiness. They want your energy. And the more intensely you react, the stronger their influence becomes. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. Pendulums cannot control someone who is aware of them. And the moment you stop feeding them, you break their influence almost instantly. So here are 3 simple, powerful ways to detach. First, awareness. At the moment you feel yourself getting triggered, pulled, reactive, pressured, or drained, say to yourself internally, "This is a pendulum. I don't engage." I'll say that again. This is a pendulum. I don't engage. That one moment of awareness creates distance and breaks the automatic reaction. Second, indifference. Indifference is not avoidance, and it's not pretending. It's choosing not to feed the emotional fire. It's saying, "That's not mine. I don't play this game. This has nothing to do with my lifeline." Indifference is freedom. Third, rent yourself out. Sometimes you can't walk away from a pendulum. Work, family, responsibilities. So you participate, but you do it calmly, neutrally, and without giving emotional fuel. You do the task, but they get none of your energy. These 3 practices, awareness, indifference, and renting yourself out, are enough to break almost any pendulum's influence. This is why pendulums are introduced so early in the reality transurfing journey. Choosing your lifeline means nothing if a pendulum is choosing your emotional state. So here's the practice today. Take 1 minute after this video and write down the pendulums you notice in your life. Work, family, friends, social media, news, belief systems, anything that consistently throws you off center. Then note which ones you want to detach from, gently, cleanly, consciously. This exercise alone can create massive inner freedom. Now that you understand pendulums, you're ready for something far more exciting. How to enter lifelines where life actually helps you. In video 3, we're going to talk about the wave of fortune and how to surf the upward flow of momentum that begins the moment you stop feeding the forces that used to drain you. This is the piece that ties it all together. Go to video 3, the wave of fortune. I'll meet you there.